My lovely child, the universe and the divine are trying to get something to you. A gift in the form of more love and more abundance. Relax and know that it is okay to accept what is coming to you. Be at peace and rest in the knowledge that you are supported and strong. Take the necessary steps needed to continue to heal and replenish. There is a nice surprise coming, which could well be in the form of extra blessings and love unexpected. Be open to receive. Type yes if you agree. You could have chosen to be complacent. You could have settled for everything that was in your comfort zone. You could have taken the easier route, but you did not. You made the decision to go after a life that most deem impossible. Yet here you are in the process of living it, only having just begun to unfold. You put in a lot of work. It's going to pay off tenfold. This is not a new chapter in your life. It's an entire book. Type yes if you agree with this, and also subscribe the channel